Mazda has officially begun mass production of the CX-60, which first made its global debut in March this year. The CX-60 is one of 5 SUVs being added to the Japanese carmaker's lineup over the next 2 years, with others being the CX-50 revealed last November, as well as the upcoming CX-70, CX-80 and CX-90. To commemorate the occasion, the company recently held a line-off ceremony at its Hofu plant number 2 in the Yamaguchi prefecture, where the CX-60 is produced alongside the Mazda 6 and CX-5. According to the carmaker, production of the CX-60 for the European market began on March 15, with the first shipment of cars set to depart for the continent from Nakanoseki Port on April 26. The CX-60 is Skyactiv multi-solution scalable architecture with a front-engine longitudinal layout and rear-wheel drive. In Europe, the CX-60 will be available as a plug-in hybrid, a first for Mazda, featuring a Skyactiv-D 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine making 192 phosphorus monosulfide, 189 horsepower or 141 kilowatts, and 261 Nm of torque. This is augmented by an electric motor rated at 136 phosphorus monosulfide, 134 horsepower or 100 kilowatts, and 250 Nm that sits between the engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The SUV also comes with Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system that enables shaft-driven transfer of torque between the axles, along with a 17.8 kWh lithium-ion battery that for up to 63 km of emissions-free driving at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. With a total system output of 327 phosphorus monosulfide, 323 horsepower or 241 kilowatts, and 500 Nm, the PHEV version of the CX-60 is the brand's most powerful road car ever. Performance-wise, the CX-60 with the PHEV powertrain, marketed as eSkyactiv PHEV, takes just 5.8 seconds to get from 0-100 km per hour, and will hit a limited top speed of 200 km per hour. Meanwhile, Japanese customers will have 4 powertrains to choose from, including the PHEV as well as a regular Skyactiv-D 2.5-liter making a more modest 188 phosphorus monosulfide, 185 horsepower or 138 kilowatts, and 250 Nm. The CX-60 will also be available with 6-cylinder diesel engines in Japan, with the first being a Skyactiv-D 3.3-liter turbo unit that serves up 231 phosphorus monosulfide, 228 horsepower or 170 kilowatts, and 500 Nm. There's also a mild hybrid version of the straight-6 diesel engine called the eSkyactiv-D, which adds Mazda's M-Hybrid Boost 48-volt electrical system to deliver 254 phosphorus monosulfide, 251 horsepower or 187 kilowatts, and 550 Nm. Every engine for Japan is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard,